Hi guys, and welcome to a coffee chat. I'm Dr. Boomer Brown with Doing Good at Work. Well, today we're going to talk about the physical you. Now, in the past, we've talked about the physical you from an exercise, nutrition, sleep, lots of different ways we looked at your physical body. Well, today we're going to look at it from a little different angle, and we're looking at it from an angle of physical safety. Having safe boundaries in your life. Well, this is definitely true in the workplace, especially if you're in a place where there are lots of potential dangers. A safety program inside your company probably provides you some key information about how to maintain safety on your job site. If you're on a construction site, you're in a manufacturing facility, wherever you may be, even in an office space, working in the office environment, there are safety guidelines. So we want you to be wise when it comes to work safety, but we also want you to be wise when it comes to other types of safety that have to do with your physical being. Some of that is driving safety, following the speed limit, following the proper laws, being wise when you're driving, always looking about, being aware, driving defensively of what the other person is doing. Providing these types of moments of safety can spare your life and potentially spare somebody else's life. But the one thing we want to focus on today, and I've offered you a download there, AAA has done a good job in preparing a hurricane preparedness guide. And you can download that just by clicking on the button. There's no cost to that. But it'll help you think a little bit about what you need to do to prepare in case there's a hurricane. And you say, well, I don't necessarily live in a hurricane zone. Well, I live in Raleigh, North Carolina. And I'm not close to an ocean, but guess what? There are many times that hurricanes come in during hurricane season, early June, late November, and they pass right through Raleigh. They pass right over. Or some of the outside bands pass, and we have heavy flooding and rains and sometimes high winds. So being prepared for that is important, whether you live on the coast or you live inland or even further inland. It can also be true, some of the measures that you can learn from the guide, if you download it, are things that can help you on any day when we have storms that have high winds, rain, different types of weather conditions. So I would encourage you to think about safety in your life. Even down to things like gun safety and making sure that you're providing a plan for evacuation in your home. We do that at work, but do we think ahead at home? How can we take care of those that matter most to us? Our family, immediate family. And then we can expand our understanding of safety outside that. So as you take care of yourself physically, I encourage you to think about the question of safety. Take a moment, download that little guide there. You may find that interesting. But there's also other things you can download there too, or at least you can request. Take a look at the free items that are available to you that help you with your mental health, help you work through things that could be difficult in your life, challenges, changes, things that are happening. We're here to help you. That's why Doing Good at Work exists. So take a moment, look at the guide, download some things. As always, you can reach out to us. There's somebody standing by, referred to as a mental health first responder, that can talk to you. And we can provide you guidance in your life. Listen, thanks for checking out a coffee chat this week. And I look forward to seeing you next week on a coffee chat.